Hi viewers, I am Malaysian working as a .NET developer in Spyro R&D. Now let's move to our project. So computational dynamic trust model for user authorization. So in this title based on concept is computational dynamic trust model for user authorization. In this project, what is a user authorization? User authorization means you are finding the original user. So as a dynamic trust model means user based on attribute. So based on attribute, we are finding the who is the authorized person. So as a dynamically we are finding. So this is the scope of the project. So in this existing system is we are using computational trust model algorithm. In this algorithm we can't find out the who is the original authorized person, we can't find out. So we are, instead of that, we are using proposal system. So in this proposal system, algorithm is building and testing trust belief. In this testing belief means we are going to find out the who is the original user. Okay, in this original user based on trust. In this trust means so attribute based we are going to find out the users. So drawbacks of existing system is we can't find out the original user, we can't get the details of and data in original user. In this advantage of proposal system is we can find out the original user, and then we can get the easily data into the user from the users. So and then architectural diagram for this is the architectural diagram for in this project. We are going to find out the original user. How you are going to find out the original user means you are going to find out the based on trustee, we are going to get the details of in this users. So in this user reputation of in this user we are going to get the data, and then we based on data we are going to find out the who is the original authorized person. So like that we are going to finding. So we are using that algorithm is building and testing trust belief. In this steps of the in this algorithm is we are going to trustee and seller register the action set. So based on repetition and then rating based research, and then finally sending the data to the owners. So and then we will move to the software requirements. Software requirements is operating system Windows 8 and 8.1, front end Microsoft Visual Studio 2013, coding language C#, backend SQL Server 2012, and then hardware requirement processor Pentium 12 2.0. So and then hard disk 40 GB and mouse, logistic RAM 2 GB, and then keyboard so 110 keys enhanced. That's it.